him and he loves me, and that's the way it ought to be. And he drives me crazy when we're making love, 'cause he always starts to yodel. Adelaide, 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 Adelaide. Always squeezing me at night while the moon was shining bright, and I know I was under his spell. He was gazing in my eyes and I was pretty sight. Then my cowboy head let out a great big yell, and he started to yodel. Adelaide, 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 with Adelaide, Adelaide, Mr. Drinks. One more time. Well, when he led me down the aisle, I was such a pretty smile, and my cowboy wore a basking suit. When the pastor said, "Will you promise always to be true?" my cowboy smiled and gently cleared his throat, and he started to yodel. Adelaide, 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 Adelaide,